Welcome back, y'all. We're still in lesson 3. In this video, we're going to investigate special properties of multiplying by 0. 0 is a really special number because it does something crazy under multiplication. Let's take a look at the following problem. This problem reads, evaluate each of the following multiplication problems. Part A, 0 times 20. Again, we do this thing where we ask ourselves a simple question. In the math statement here, is there an equal sign? No, there's not. This is an expression we're going to simplify. To do that, we're told that we need to evaluate. Let's go ahead and take a look. 0 times 20. We're probably familiar with the idea that when we multiply by 0, we annihilate the number we're multiplying. 0 times 20 is 0. Let's keep working through some examples. Here I want to evaluate the multiplication problem, negative 15 times 0. We know when we multiply by 0, we get 0 out. Next problem we're going to take a look at is 0 times 35. Well, there's a pattern here. Every single time we multiply by 0, we get 0 out. We keep going. What about 0 times negative 511? Gotta be 0 because every time we multiply by 0, we get 0. Let's do something a little bit more exotic. What if I were to ask you to find x times 0? No matter what x is, if it's 5, 10, 15, 20, negative 511, whatever, what do you know when I multiply by 0? Yep, always 0. Last statement we're going to take a look. What if I did 0 times y? Gotta be 0. When we multiply by 0, we always get 0. What we've just learned in all these evaluations is multiplication by 0 is really special. 0 is the only number that when I multiply any number by 0, I always get the same number out, which is 0. A follow-up question that we're going to investigate in the next video is, what if I were to tell you that the output of a multiplication problem is 0? What would immediately have to be true? I tell you, hey, I'm going to take two numbers, I'm going to multiply them together, and I get 0. What would have to be true about one of those two numbers? We'll get an answer in the next video.